Have you all heard of this famous proverb? If speech is silver, silence is golden. Sometimes when we communicate, we say too much. But we need to understand that our answers lie in silence, because it's the purest language one can ever have. Hi everyone, I'm Ravi Danya Sharma. I'm an author and Miss Himachal 2020 first runner-up. So today I'll be giving you all a gist of a very beautiful chapter from one of my books, The Beauty of Life. Well, it's an inspirational and motivational book, and I firmly believe that with the growing advancement and technology in today's world, people, especially the youth, are drifting away from the fundamental morals and ethics that one should possess in life. So here's the beauty of life for all my readers, to inspire you all, to motivate you all, so that you can improve the quality of your lives. So let me ask you all a question. How many of you actually take time out of your busy schedule, sit, relax, and enjoy silence? Well, let me tell you all that most of us are so impatient to talk that we are hardly in a silent state of mind. We are intolerably loud and busy, we work endlessly day and night, and we are driven by the buzz of technology. And sometimes a stream of jumbled thoughts, they start overpowering, dominating, and overcrowding our mind. So here comes the power of silence, which is a great source of strength for each one of us. Just remember, your mind is the engine of your body, and it works through various ups and downs the entire day. Thus, silence is the food to your mental peace, happiness, well-being, and prosperity. It not only helps in getting connected to your souls, but also to the supreme power, God. In this context, I'd like to throw some light on a quotation by Mother Teresa, and I quote, "We need to find God, and He cannot be found in noise and restlessness. God is the friend of silence. See how nature, trees, flowers, grass, grows in silence. See the stars, the moon, and the sun, how they move in silence. We need silence to be able to touch souls." Unquote. I think it's a very inspiring quotation by Mother Teresa, which briefly states the power of silence, how it helps us in getting connected to ourselves, our soul, supreme power, God, and nature. Well, when we talk about nature, let me ask you another question. Have you all observed the way nature speaks to us? The trickling of water, the soothing music of sea waves, the pitter-patter of the raindrops, birds chirping, and so much more. Well, these voices, these sounds of nature, they have a healing effect on human beings. But we can only observe these sounds, we can only pay attention to these sounds when we are mentally peaceful, happy, and silent. Gradually, we'll start considering every minute detail around us, around our environment, our surrounding, be it in your home, your office, or anywhere you go. Thus, grow silence within you. The more you feed your soul with silence, the happier you will become, and you will bloom like a flower. Therefore, silence ultimately leads to supreme happiness. It is one of the strongest attributes, and we all must learn to cultivate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.